Best Furniture Touch-Up Markers Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular scratch cover-up markers in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes these set of touch-up markers so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this marker right away. The one that made our list is the Catskill Furniture Repair Kit Wood Markers. This is a 13-piece set which includes 6 repair markers, 6 paper-wrapped wax sticks, and a sharpener. You can choose from maple, oak, cherry, walnut, mahogany, and black to match the color of your furniture, so you can touch up your scuffed furniture on your own and save money without calling a professional. These top quality markers and wax sticks cover scratches, nicks, scuffs, and more. All you need to do is draw over the scratch, allow it to dry, and watch your scratches disappear. These markers are safe to use on all types of wooden furniture, and you can use the included sharpener to sharpen the wax sticks. To check out the full specs of the Catskill Furniture Repair Kit Wood Markers and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/touchupmarkers. Here's a quick video demo of how easy it is to use this set of markers. So there you have it, the Catskill Furniture Repair Kit Wood Markers. Considering its ease of use, the variety of colors you have, and how quickly you can touch up your furniture, we feel that this set of markers is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Catskill Furniture Repair Kit Wood Markers and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/touchupmarkers. Alright, thank you for watching.